Heartless Killaz with no response. Straight minds to your face from your this man pussy. Up on your mama yard with the 6 pants. Knock her up the bitch, better not put up no resistance.
You know it's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. And me a telling you say Alkaline drop the song when you Heartless Killaz. And me a tell you say the title describe how the song is. Because that song is heartless. So guess what we are gonna do? We are gonna review it and make uno know what we think. And tell you know if it's a bad song or if it's not a bad song. But people from when you hear that like a 10-second part, the inner the intro, but now if you telling you no more. So just stick around, you know what I mean?
How I tell you say me a Christian?
Every know what they done, you know. The man, you know. The one, you know. Right now, me a rep.
Chaddy TV.
Chaddy TV, and we say check him out for all your news, your views, your reviews, and everything you need to know, you see me?
And YouTube, you know. Come in, say YouTube, that tube, and such tube, yo.
Yeah. Chaddy Murray, I'm your biggest fan.
Break it, chop, I said.
It's exploded right now.
My dog Javi produced one of his.
Fool saying big bad and bold. Now frighten us soul. Oh, test how we not to watch face. And I roll.
I was a dark and wicked unto the entertainment.
Ambassador.
No compassion, no guilt.
Push move.
Burn, kill, destroy.
Strike team full of
Burn, kill, and destroy. And that depend on Alkaline mind right now. And that's why I must say I'm heartless. And that's why that song is heartless. You see me? But people, I could have war really Alkaline attack. I could have war really Alkaline a meds. Who make Alkaline a meds so heartless? Jano Star. That's the intro, people. And in the intro, the man make you know what time it is. The man make you know say a dopey time.
Heartless Killaz with no response. Straight minds to your face from your this man pussy. Up on your mama yard with the 6 pants. Knock her up the bitch, better not put up no resistance. How I tell you say me a Christian? Jungle 12 badness and never fiction. Yeah, we chop off them head dash that in a rubbish pan. Shoot up if funeral then drop the casket and run.
Who did say MVP turn gospel group? Who did say Alkaline them turn gospel group and them fall off? Well, that song you right, you know. Silence all jump on. You see me? Just because Movado do one song over there and them say like Jesus, them feel like say them can group up the whole MVP and say yo, you know see a gospel tune them start sing, you know see a grace chillers them start and that's so them thing there right now. You see me? The man say yo right now him heartless. So you see all your mother you have to go hide her because anyway him find her or anybody in your family cause remember you know you see in a war all is fear. So you see, if you left your mother careless and the man find your mother and bust one in her head, I just saw it go. But people remember, you know, this is just lyrics. Are just lyrics we are talking about. So don't get carried away.
My work can't beg or buy out. People no stop drop till all me ups them die out. No care who one ball till them eye ball dry out. Bullet enter them parry through them head bucket fly out.
So right so now Alkaline I tell you say film war it expensive and nothing can buy out. Film war it priceless. You see me? So if you want your head, I just say head him want. You can't forward with your family member them and say yo here one no Alkaline see $1 million you don't kill him. Alkaline see $3 million don't do him nothing. That not go work. If I your head him want, how your head him a go for. Alright you know that song you a short.
Pussy. I true from one day man I try keep my calm. The fuck of them a flip up like say them think my gone. A man put a battery in them back turn them on. So them rise so them fall easy like Sunday man.
So right you know Alkaline explain to him fans them and I say yo the boy them a flip up because him feel like say him gone. See true everybody I say Alkaline fall off. Alkaline fall off. The man I make you know right I know say him there. You see me? So him tell him fans them say him there you know. No, the man I talk to the little idiot them know where I claim say Alkaline fall off. The man I say right I know he come like say a man a bootsing up. Come like say a man put a battery on the back and turn it on. Why?
Heartless Killaz with no response. Up binds to your face, pussy from your this man. We say, up on your mama yard with the 6 pants. Knock her up and she better not put up no resistance. How I tell you say me a Christian? Jungle 12 badness and never fiction. Yeah, we chop off them head dash that in a rubbish pan. Shoot up if funeral then drop the casket and run.
Up on your mama yard with the 6 pants. Knock her up, she better not show no resistance. Stance. Yo, the style, where him get the style from? Jano Star. And people call the younger generation, them probably never know. You don't know, see a Barry still do that song there. Putting up resistance. Jano Star, shell. But people, oh, you don't like it so far. You feel like say Alkaline for be more direct. Because remember, in the intro, you know, me telling you say Alkaline a shout off for some people. And him nah miss. All know, we no hear no shots fired. Stick around, you see me? Stick around for the full review and hear how me explain line by line and show you how who Alkaline attack. You see me? But in the meanwhile, if you don't like this video, I mean, if you like it, just click a like, no one. Just put a like on the video, no? And if it's the first time watching, just hit that subscribe button and turn on post notification. So anytime I upload videos like these, anytime Alkaline drop song, and you want a bad review, just circle over the Chaddy TV and just tune in. You know what I mean? But back in the review, you know.
Turn on the K and beat it. Make any man we say them bad up here and nail it. Him a batting pan him man couldn't reach it. Knock him a run over the pan him same time retrieve it. Grandfather, you no godfather. New killers not the system, no one order.
Alright, so a 2-shot fire right there, so. Wanna hear it? Hold on, me I go play it back again for you to listen it keenly.
Grandfather, you no godfather. Grandfather, you no godfather. Grandfather, you no godfather. New killers not the system, no one order.
So right, they said the man I say, grandfather, you no godfather. And who are the godfather and who are the grandfather? Alright, me telling you what I go on right now. So a couple weeks ago, Tommy Lee did drop one song when named Godfather. Me are the godfather. And me I tell you say, that song that they go on with that thing, me did review it already. If you want to see the review there, me I go post the link in the comment section or in the description. But we are talking about Alkaline right now. So that a one where him chew off for, you see me? Because I definitely him must say, yo, them boy there, who them attack say them a godfather. Them a godfather for who? You see me? And now, make we get to the grandfather part because the man say, yo, them on a real killer, you know. Grandfather, them on a real killer. So what you know? You know say Alkaline and Bounty Killa I go at it quite a while now. And it did reach a point where Alkaline did have to run up in a Bounty Killa DM. But we not talk about that. You see me? What day Bounty Killa post one performance on him Instagram, I try style Alkaline and say, yo, you never perform, you never go out with nothing at a party there, you never perform good, none at all. Your performance dry, it need a buckle of water. And that Bounty Killa try say, no. So right now, Alkaline I say, yo, you say your days done from Nokia 3310. And new killers are running thing now. And one other. And if you can't abide by the rule, you go get shoot out because remember, say the killer them heartless. Me not telling a lie. That dash 2-shot fire. Who no listen for the rest of shot them.
Them ask who say so tell them damn dada. And before we burn your skin like lava. Them gossip like sissies and no man. Them a bitches. Them no bother blood clot carry gun for exhibit.
Hear the next shot there. The man said them gossip like sissies and carry gun for exhibit. And people, let me telling you the meaning of exhibit. You see, exhibit, it mean for display. You see me? So, you see things where display in a museum. You see things where display upon shelf. Them upon exhibition. So the man I say right now, you see Popcaan, because of this other shot there fire, you know, right over the unruly camp and bust Popcaan head. So people, when you remember the other day when Popcaan did forward pan in Instagram, I mean I know who leak it or whatever, but Popcaan, a video they circulate with Popcaan about some shot wildly, you see me, like him not really know what him do. So right now, at that Alkaline I say, them boy they only carry gun for show off on camera, and where them gun carrying there go, him and a bad man, and who give that title say him a bad man, say man I say yo, them gimmicks like sissies, them just a gossip like sissy, and we all know say, Popcaan, you know say Popcaan love the little gimmick style. We not say him gossip, but we all know say him jovial and love that gimmick style. And people, me are telling you, me don't know why, but every single song Alkaline sing, I must see girl song alone, me see Alkaline sing where him not really shoot off a Popcaan. Everything the man always have one little subliminal line in there and put on and said that for the unruly camp. Ooh, the leader, Popcaan. That shot there, a Popcaan shot. Boy, I don't know. Tell me in the comment section what you think.
Your butter go and flick it, my gun on a limit. The angel of death come down and pay you a visit. Him get a funeral cause him don't hear. One bad man fi pity a boy me don't care. Flatline pan the machine we give here. Dr. Pressy something pan him chest and ball out. Clear.
And that's my favorite line. When the man say flatline pan is something we give here. Dr. Pressy something pan your chest and ball out. Clear. And people who no understand or who no know away my talk about.
Wait, Dr. Freud!
Clear.
Yeah man, that him attack, and the machine is called a defibrillator. So see it there, Alkaline and Chaddy Murray teach you know something today. So make me know in the comment section if you like the review here and make me know what you think about the song. Me I go post the link to the full song in the comment section below. But for me, yo, that song ya hot, me not tell a lie. Me give that song ya 10 out of 10. But tell me in the comment section as well where uno give that song ya out of 10. You see me uno give 10 out of 10 too. It's your boy DJ Chaddy. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. And I'm out.
Heartless Killaz we no response. Up binds to your face, pussy from your this man. We say up at your mama yard with the 6 pants. Knock her up and she better not put up no resistance.